right in front of us.
Yeah.
Like, you see it? Like, that's crazy.
Yeah. So what'd you see exactly?
Bro, like, I have...
How long?
Video, bro.
Yeah.
Literally. Like, you don't know how...
He's got a video of it. If you can email it to me?
Yeah, of course.
Do you have the video of it?
I mean, like, you can like...
Did they admit it?
From my
I didn't ask him about it yet. I wanted to hear this first.
You can
43-221 County?
Like, right in front. Like, you don't know how fucking old you are. It's disgusting.
Yeah.
I don't know. Like, this is weird. Kind of, like, you see it? He lay on top of her, took his pants down, still, like, put it inside.
You can see him, like, moving.
Yeah.
It is a bad... Like, it's not a bad... Like...
Do you know which one it is?
I'm thinking these kids are running up to McManus. They have their phones. I'm assuming it's one of them, maybe a caller.
It doesn't look like it.
What shorts near Driftwood? Excuse me? You can't be nude on a public beach.
I'm sorry, I thought as long as I had my bottom on, that was fine.
No.
What starts as a simple beach stop quickly turns into a circus of fake IDs, attitude, and awkward confessions that have the officers trying to keep their cool. With denials flying and a crowd watching, this body cam footage captures a comedy drama you don't want to miss. Stick around to see how honesty, or the lack of it, can turn a routine patrol into an unforgettable case.
Do you know why we're here? Not just because your top is off. Nothing's ringing a bell? No. We got multiple calls, not from them, from a different party, that you guys were having sex on the beach. Okay.
That's not true.
It's not true. We got multiple witnesses that said they saw it. Over there talking to another officer, and we got witnesses over here too. And I got it on video. Just saw the video. So are we going to continue to lie, or are we going to tell me the truth?
We're on top of each other having sex.
Yeah. I saw the video.
She was topless when we walked over here, so if you're laying on top of each other without...
She's not the only one.
But we're here for you.
Yeah, we got a call for this. We have a video of it. We have two different groups of people that said something. Well, making out naked, laying on a beach is like with the video of it.
Yeah, you undid your bathing suit and pulled your penis out.
I mean, I'm sorry that my top was off. Like I said, I thought as long as my bottom was on, it was fine. Put it back on my dress.
We have multiple parties.
Do you want to put clothes on? Fully? You're going to be placed under arrest.
Are you serious?
Yeah. So I'm giving you the courtesy to put your clothes on.
33-24 County, you didn't make it.
County, did you open and close a parking violation call on Valentine Street?
For indecent exposure in public sex.
33-24, 1252.
We have multiple witness statements
County 221, that's not the parking lot.
that saw your pants below your
They
buttocks.
saw your pants below your,
Buttocks.
yeah, and your...
I did not put my pants down.
If they're saying they saw you with your butt out, that's indecent exposure as well.
I did not put my pants down.
33-16.
Did you have sex?
No.
Okay.
1011 New Jersey DLs for this call. Add them as witnesses. First one's Whiskey 6462.
No, I don't need to see the video to arrest you guys.
079.
We have multiple witnesses. Yeah.
01.
So you saw a video of my pants down?
I saw a video of you humping her on top of you. I didn't look. I'm getting an email to my email. I don't need that. I don't need that video as proof. We have multiple witnesses that are signing it. So.
928 62 771 05075.
Crazy Valentine's.
Thanks.
Do you have like a phone or wallet, something you want to bring with you? The chairs and stuff will leave. You're going to get really stuck. Only if something's going to be.
It's going to be a summons.
Yeah.
you want us to leave this?
We can carry it up and put it in the patrol car.
I know
don't see why
my
not.
apologies.
It'll fit.
I'm going to need a 17 for this.
It'll fit in the back seat.
Give you a New Jersey Reg whenever you're ready.
43221 go.
Hotel 37 Uniform Charlie Zulu, a Chevy Equinox.
Stand by.
Your phone's on it. I don't. It's on a chair. I'll grab them
Yeah.
and come back and speak to the
Yeah.
driver. And if you guys want to grab your stuff.
I'll walk you guys up. I'll walk you guys up. We're gonna put this in the back seat of the car. Yeah.
And your crap on the ground.
You got
I have your IDs.
my phone, my wallet.
Okay, I'll go grab those forms.
Yeah.
Where are you?
We're gonna go this way.
What can we learn from this video today? Cooperation and truthfulness can de-escalate tense public encounters and avoid unnecessary arrest and conflict. Law enforcement officers often face challenging situations requiring patience and professionalism. Bodycam footage gives important transparency, but also highlights how quickly simple stops can turn dramatic.
So is all this going in the car?
Just put the phones in the bag. Just we're putting it on the camera. So unless you have, I might have it. Yeah, so just put the phone back in the bag.
I'm going to be a little bit
We'll bring that inside. Have your key? Do you have anything on you? Nothing. Yeah, just turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Do you have anything on you? Please stand by.
3332 going to be
Yeah, one female.
female.
So, I don't want to go.